Teaching and Referral mayudore boma ma Kisumu marango chal mare moloyo to tok yudo telo manyien. Kaluwore gi Oluga, piny owacho timo makare mar chwalo kar thieth e rang'iny mamalo kendo osechwalo negi omenda maromo shillings bilion 3 mar siro chenro mage. Omenda bende ni nitie dwaro mar keto omenda maromo ne chenro mag thieth mag nyithindo kod joma mine.
So we are very keen to make sure that, number one, the transition is smooth and that we continue with excellence, but also we improve it to get to the status of the national level. A national level means that you start looking at national issues. We look at the disease profile in the region, the catchment. We look at how to design the services in this facility. This year we have allocated 3 billion to this facility. They have already received their grant for the last 2 months, and we are looking at how best to position this money to do those things that I am talking about. So that's really why we are here, and we are also grateful for the county government in terms of the cooperation in this transition. We are grateful for the community, the larger community that is supporting us and giving a lot of encouragement in terms of